Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a product overview of the Amazon Basics Ceramic Nonstick 12-piece cookware set. This is a great option if you're looking for a complete set that's both practical and affordable. Inside the box, you get 2 saucepans with lids, a casserole dish with a lid, a sauté pan with a lid, 2 skillets, plus a slotted spatula and a solid spoon. It's everything you need for everyday cooking, whether it's quick breakfasts or full family dinners. The cookware is made from lightweight aluminum, which means it heats evenly without hot spots. The ceramic nonstick interior is free of PFOA and BPA, so it's healthier and makes food release effortless. Cleanup is quick too. You can put them in the dishwasher, though hand washing will keep them looking new even longer. Each piece has dual riveted silicone handles that stay cool while you're cooking, and the tempered glass lids let you check your food without lifting the top. The set is oven safe up to 350 degrees, and it works on all stovetops except induction. Customers really like how durable this set is for the price. Many mention that the non-stick surface holds up well over time if you stick to wooden or silicone utensils. The biggest drawbacks are that the large lid doesn't fit the biggest frying pan, and some people report minor cosmetic wear on the outside after extended use. Now, the best part is the value. On Amazon, this cookware set is around $70, but through Shoppy Shop warehouse deals, members can grab it for as low as $39.99 wholesale or $51.99 retail. That's a big savings on a complete kitchen upgrade. If you want an easy-to-use, affordable set that looks great and performs well for everyday cooking, the Amazon Basics Ceramic Nonstick 12-piece cookware set is definitely worth considering.